Hello and welcome to a series I am going to call Stay In and Make Do. I don't know where you are, but in the UK right now, that's pretty much all we're up to. For any news avoiders or time travelers watching this video, the COVID-19 virus has been declared a global pandemic, so people in the UK and indeed pretty much everywhere are staying in as much as possible to limit transmission. So, you need some entertainment, I need an excuse to get dressed. Although, caveat, I am not promising I won't end up doing one or more of these videos in my onesie. But I am bringing you a series of daily projects you can watch and follow along with. Now, they're mostly going to use things you have around the house, as well as some components you can salvage from electronics that you've broken by throwing them against a wall in a fit of cabin fever-induced rage. But I'll also be using one or two Microbits. Now, Microbits are super cool little microcontrollers with a host of built-in capabilities. And they're a great place to start if you're new to hardware, hacking, or coding. They are suitable for all ages, and you have a range of options when it comes to programming them. The most visually appealing of which is the online MakeCode editor. And writing code there is as simple as clicking and dragging a bunch of colourful blocks into an order and then pressing a button to download that to the Microbit via a USB cable. But if you're a bit more advanced, you can also program them in Java, in Python, heck, you can even program them through the Arduino IDE if that's your jam. I'm not going to judge. I'll throw in a few projects of different levels of difficulty and different genres to keep things interesting. But remember, stay tuned, stay in and make do.